What's up, everybody? My name is Blake. I'm the store manager here at Cross Hose and Fittings in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I've been in the industry for 13 years, and today we're going to be talking about the Parker MiniKrimp. This bad boy is lightweight at 42 pounds. It's compact, it's portable. It's considered the strongest portable crimper on the market today. It can crimp majority of Parker thermoplastic, PTFE, rubber, and specialty hoses up to 3/4 inch. There's a couple different crimping options. This is the manual pump. There's a second option with air over hydraulic. Hook it into a compressor, a minimum of 60 PSI, although Parker does recommend anywhere between 60 and 100 PSI. Where this will come in handy is your applications with bucket trucks, trailers, or if you're a mobile service technician. If you're dealing with 30 to 50 foot hose assemblies, instead of having to take the whole assembly off the truck, you can take this straight to the source. So I got my hose. We're going to stick it up into the crimper here. And both with the manual hand pump and the air over hydraulic, the crimping cycle is around 30 seconds. And there you go. There's your inspect crimp. All right, short recap on the Parker crimper. It's lightweight, it's compact, it's portable. So if you're dealing with your bucket trucks, your trailers, or if you're a mobile service technician, this will be the crimper for you. Some cons to this: it only crimps up to 3/4 inch. So if you're dealing with larger sizes, you may end up having to take your hose off and bring it to one of our locations, and we crimp it on site. So if you're interested in purchasing or even renting it from us, you can check out our website at crossco.com or come visit us at one of our store locations.